to Wild Forest Vision. Today, we journey into one of Thailand's most breathtaking natural wonders, Ang Thong National Marine Park. Hidden in the warm waters of the Gulf of Thailand, this untouched paradise is a place where emerald islands rise from turquoise, where ancient limestone cliffs guard secret lagoons, where wildlife still lives in perfect harmony with nature. This is not just a destination. This is a living masterpiece of the natural world. Ang Thong National Marine Park is located near Koh Samui in southern Thailand. It is a protected archipelago made up of 42 limestone islands, is shaped by millions of years of wind, water, and time. The name Ang Thong means golden basin, inspired by the golden glow that reflects across the sea during sunrise and sunset, a sight that feels almost unreal. Because of its protected status, much of Ang Thong remains wild, quiet, and unspoiled. One of the most iconic features of Ang Thong is its dramatic limestone crust formations. These towering cliffs rise straight from the ocean, covered in dense green forests that seems to seem impossible to the stone. Hidden among these islands are sacred beaches, sea caves, and emerald lagoons that can only be reached by kayak or boat. The most famous of these is Emerald Lake, also known as Talainia, surrounded by steep cliffs. This saltwater lagoon glows with a deep green color, changing shades as the sunlight moves across the sky. Above the islands, breathtaking viewpoints reveal endless layers of jungle-covered land floating above crystal clear water, a skin that feels untouched by time. Despite being a marine park, Ang Thong is also home to rich tropical forests. The islands are covered with evergreen trees, mangroves, palm forests, and coastal vegetation that protect the shoreline and support wildlife. Mangrove forests play a crucial role here, acting as natural shields against erosion and as nursery for young marine animals. Some plants found here have adapted to rocky limestone soil, surviving in extreme conditions and showing nature's incredible resilience. Ang Thong Islands are alive with fascinating wildlife. One of the most commonly seen animal is the disky langur monkey, moving gracefully through the trees. You may also spot long-tailed macaws, especially near beaches and forest edges. The park is a paradise for bird lovers, with species such as sea eagles, kingfishers, herons, and hornbills soaring above the islands or resting in the trees. Reptiles like monitor lizards quietly patrol the forest's floor, while colorful insects bring constant movement and sound to the jungle. Every corner of Ang Thong tells a story of life, adapting, surviving, and thriving. Below the surface lies another world, just as rich and beautiful. Ang Thong's coral reefs are home to tropical fish, sea urchins, clams, and vibrant coral species. Snorkeling here reveals schools of colorful fish moving like living art across the reefs. You may encounter parrotfish, angelfish, butterflyfish, and sometimes even sea turtles gliding peacefully through the water. Also, fishing is restricted. This protection allows marine life to recover and flourish, reminding us how powerful conversations can be when nature is respected. For centuries, Ang Thong was used as a shelter by fishermen and sailors. Today, it stands as protected national marine park, carefully managed to preserve its fragile ecosystems. Park rangers work daily to protect wildlife, monitor coral health, and educate visitors about sustainable tourism. Thank you these efforts. Ang Thong remains one of Thailand's most well-preserved natural treasure. Ang Thong National Marine Park is more than just a beautiful place. It is a reminder of what the world looks like when nature is allowed to breathe. In a fast-moving world, places like this teaches us patience, balance, and respect for life, both above and below the sea. Protecting such environments means protecting the future. If this journey inspired you, remember the wild still exists and it is worth protecting. This is Wild Forest Vision, where forests, oceans, and wildlife come together to tell their story. Like, share, and subscribe this channel to join us one more journeys into Earth's last wild places. Until next time, stay connected to nature.